Welcome to our channel Technologist 24 by 7. In this video, I will show you how to retrieve the password of the Wi-Fi. In this first method, we will try to retrieve the password through CMD command prompt. So let's start. Open the command prompt. Right click and run as administrator. Okay. Now type in the command netsh wlan means wireless LAN show profile. Hit enter. Here you can see there is a 4 SSIDs saved in this system. I will copy the first one name. Right. Now again type the net wlan show. This time I will type only profile name Technologist 24 by 7. Now type key is equal to clear. Hit enter. Now you can see there is an error. There is no such wireless interface on the system. This is due to I have a SSID name having a space here. So we again type net wlan show profile inverted comma start, paste the SSID name inverted comma close, key is equal to clear. Hit enter. Here you can see here the properties of the SSID Technologist 24 by 7, and here you go the key content, which is the password of the SSID Technologist 24 by 7. This is the first method of how to see the password of the safe network of the Wi-Fi. Now I will show you the second method of how to see the password. It is simply go to the control panel, now go to the network and sharing center. Here is the SSID which is connected Technologist 24 by 7. Click here. Now click on the wireless properties. Go to the security tab. Here we go. Click on the show character. Yes, we got the password. Thank you viewers. Please keep watching our channel and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment